What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, what's up? My name is Alfie. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a very summer bronzy glowy look. It is like a billion degrees in LA right now and I am dying. I'm literally melting right now. My AC is one of those box ACs and if I turn it on right now it's just going to be making a lot of noise and I'm just like, ugh, it's going to fuck up my video. Like, why? Just no. These last 2 weeks have been so crazy. There's just been so much going on. There was BeautyCon and then Gym Beauty right after in San Francisco, and then just so many good things have been happening recently that I've just been overwhelmed and shook. But I'm glad to be back home and filming again because it's something that I absolutely love doing. So if you want to see what this look is going to turn into, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so before I get into the makeup, I'm actually going to be prepping my skin using some of my favorite skincare products, and these are from Ole Henriksen, one of my favorite skincare brands. The first product that I'm going to be using is the Cold Plunge Pore Mask from Ole Henriksen, and this is one of my favorite masks that I've been using. It literally kind of mattifies your skin and takes away the oil, and it also shrinks your pores, which I have a ton of. So anything that's going to shrink my pores, I'm always like, yes sis, just put it on my face right now. So a fun little fact about this mask, it actually feels really cooling on your skin. I forgot that it's very minty and icy, and I love it. Especially right now that it's so hot and I'm burning up. Remind me to take the mask off in 15 minutes.
Okay, I'll remind you.
Thanks, girl. So I just washed the mask off and my skin still feels so nice and cool. But I seriously love that mask so much, mainly because of what it does, which is it reduces your pores, it evens out your skin texture, and it kind of keeps you matte throughout the whole day. So my skin feels great. On to the next step, I'm going to be using the Fountain of Truth facial water, and this is just to revive my skin and kind of tone it up a little bit before I put any moisturizer, just so it can literally make my skin a little bit more healthier and just kind of glow from within. And for moisturizer, I'm going to be going in with my C-Rush Gel Cream. This has been one of my favorite products for the past 4 months. As you can see, I'm halfway done because it's so good. It works on any skin type, and it's supposed to help brighten your skin and also just kind of prepare it for makeup. I literally take about that much and I kind of just put it everywhere, all over my skin, and it's literally the best thing ever. And for my under eyes, I'm using the Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is such a good eye cream for someone that wants to diminish dark circles like myself, or it's just to hydrate or eliminate any puffiness that you may have in the morning. But this is so good. And I'm also going to add a little bit more of the facial water just to kind of lock in that extra moisture. Now my skin is all prepped and ready. I'm going to be going in with my Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation, and this is the first time I'm going to be using this, so I'm kind of scared but excited. But first impressions, I really do like how it's blending out. It honestly looks very skin-like and kind of dewy. I think with how I prepped my skin and all my skincare, I think that's why it's giving me this glow from within look that I am totally digging right now. I'm not kidding, but this legit might be my new favorite foundation. To keep it in the Makeup Revolution family, I'm going to be going in with the Conceal and Define Concealer just to kind of brighten up my under eye area and give me a little bit more definition. But this concealer is so good, and for the price, it's so bomb. I'm also going to contour a bit because this is going to be more of a summer bronzy look. I'm going to go a little bit harder on the contour and on the bronzer. Even though this is a very glowy summer vibey look, I'm still going to be using the Born This Way Too Faced setting powder. This is one of my new favorite setting powders just because it's very finely milled, it's paper thin. I'm just going to kind of press it into my eye and on my forehead. I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques brush, and this is my favorite brush, you guys. This is the blush brush. I've had it for so long that it's no longer bright pink the way it's supposed to be. It's more of a light pink, which I'm not mad at because I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. But now I'm just going to dust everything off. While I was at Gem Beauty, we got these really cool goodie bags, and inside was this bronzer right here from Physicians Formula, and it's their Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade Deep Bronze. But I'm excited to use it. It has this really weird sponge applicator that I'm not going to use because that might mess up my makeup. I don't want to try that. So I'm just going to use a brush that I normally would use to bronze up, but it smells so good. It smells like coconut. Yeah, it smells really bomb. Stay hydrated. Water is literally your best friend. Like, I don't care what anybody says, like, water is your best friend. I really like going to like beauty events like BeautyCon and Gem Beauty, mainly because you get to meet so many brands, and I think it's a really good way, especially if you're like an up-and-coming influencer or if you're trying to get into this community. Like, it's a really good way to kind of like network with people that you normally wouldn't see. And my thing is always like go up to people, like don't be afraid of what someone might say or anything like that, or if they might judge you or whatever, because secretly everyone's judging everyone, so it doesn't even matter. It's the best advice I could give anyone, to be honest. Like just go and network. So now that I'm like hella bronze, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil, filling them in lightly and kind of just like putting some brow gel and calling it a day. Especially when it's hot, it's literally just brow gel. Like, that's all you're gonna get from me. I'm sorry, girl. So that's literally what I'm gonna be doing right now. I'm just gonna be putting a little bit of a brow moment. I'm also gonna be using my Gimme Brow number 5 to kind of just hold everything in place and add a little bit more color. So I went ahead and did my eyes and put my lashes on off camera because I was literally dying in here. It was so hot and I had to turn the AC on, so I'm so sorry. But if you really like this look, I can totally recreate it and do a whole new video. But anyway, I went in with the Pretty Vulgar Phoenix Rising palette, and I'm actually like high-key shook at how like bomb the eyeshadows are. And then I also used their mascara, which is so cute. This packaging is adorable. But that's what I did on my eyes. Hello. For my lashes, I went in with one of my favorite pairs of lashes. These are from Tati Lashes in the style TL3. They're just like the perfect like wispy lashes that I am obsessed with. They're pretty affordable, which is why I'm obsessed with them, and I wear these all the time. They're legit my favorite. Next, for my highlight, I'm gonna be going in with this glow jelly that I got from Revlon. This I also got at BeautyCon. They were just kind of like handing them out, and I was just like, thanks, I'll take 2. No, seriously, I only took 1. If you could look at it, it's like this little rubber jelly looking thing. It kind of reminds me of the other jelly looking thing that another brand has, but I'm excited to try it out because it looked really, really stunning, and it was like very glittery, and I was like, yes, totally me. It does look really, really like coppery, which might be a little too dark for me, but we're gonna do it and see what happens. So I'm taking a little bit on a brush, and I'm just gonna place it on the high points of my face. Oh yeah, it's a little bronzy for me, girl. It's okay, it's doable. I'm like a glow fiend. Like, I am obsessed with just being super dewy, super wet, super glowy. Like, it is my thing. It is my jam. If you know me, I love to be dewy and oily. Like, that's me. And to add a little bit more highlight, I'm gonna be going in with this one, and this is from Becca. This is Prosecco Pop, and I haven't tried this one out, so I'm very excited. I swatched it at BeautyCon. Again, I got it at BeautyCon. Oh my god, like, I get everything at BeautyCon apparently. But I'm gonna be going in with this, and I'm going in with one of my favorite highlighting brushes, and this is from Anastasia, and this is their A23 brush. Best highlighting brush you will ever use. Just saying. Wow. So this is definitely for someone that's more warmer toned, kind of like me, because it's very gold. It's really pretty though. I'm obsessed. I'm the person that literally goes psycho when they start putting on highlight. Like, I'm like, where else can I put this? I'm like, For my lips today, I'm gonna be going in with this pencil right here, and this is called Hush Hush, and it is from a brand called Buxom, which I absolutely love. I'm obsessed with their lip glosses. I have one called Celeste, and it's my favorite. It's my favorite thing ever. Buxom. Hi. But I'm gonna be going in with this. It's this beautiful, like, mauve-y color that is totally my vibes 24/7. And because this wouldn't be a summer look without gloss, I'm gonna be going in with my all-time fave, and this is Celeste from Buxom. But it's like this gorgeous, sparkly, peachy color. Like, it's my favorite. It's so good. I'm gonna go change into something a little bit more summery, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of the Fountain of Truth facial water to give me that hella glowy, dewy look that I want. So, one second. I feel like I was drenched in holy water right now, and I'm living. But this is the finished look. I'm totally here for it. I'm serving Ken Barbie Goes to Hawaii Realness. And I would love to go to Hawaii, but since I'm not there, I have to pretend like I'm there, so I'll just dress like I'm there, you know? But I'm obsessed. But I feel like my skin looks super glowy and dewy and healthy. Like, that Sea Rush gel cream is the best thing in the world. And also, doing the mask before your makeup kind of like makes everything go on a little bit smoother, and I'm gagged. Looks so good. I'm also really liking the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation. Like, it's bomb. Yeah, I hope you like this like super easy, super fun, just like summer hot glowy look. I mean, come on, it's summer, you should be looking like it's summer. I mean, even though I'm probably gonna melt right now, like I'm gonna look like that Barbie that's literally melting in the heat, but you know what, I'm okay with that. She's cute. This eye look is so good. Like, I was not expecting that from those shadows, and they're bomb. Like, hi. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting me. I love you so much, and I will definitely see you on my next one. Bye.